Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2010 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE in metallic black finish with a 20-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. The vehicle's got side steps, privacy glass, keyless entry and drive, front and rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which I'm gonna demonstrate it for you shortly. As you can see, it's got split folding rear seats and a luggage cover in the boot. In the front view of the vehicle, it's got front forks, headlamp washers and a xenon headlights. Just gonna put the seat up. It's got matching full leather interior with 5 headrests, rear multimedia displays on the headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, rear center armrest, and for your safety it's got front side and rear airbags. It's got also rear heated seats as well. Twin electric seats with electric lumbar support and a memory driver side. Then it's got electric windows and 40 mirrors, auto headlights and a Harman Kardon sound system on the vehicle. Push button to start, multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side and the voice commands on the right hand side. It's got automatic transmission, terrain and height adjustments, both driver and passenger side armrests, and it's got a center armrest with a refrigerator in there. The USB slot and iPod connectivity are under the center armrest as well. Then it's got air conditioning with a doors on climate control and front heated seats. A satellite navigation which is touch screen and the reversing camera. Then it's got Bluetooth hands-free connectivity, DAB radio, auto rear view dimming mirror, a glass tilt inside sunroof. So over here I have the remote control for the rear multimedia and some joysticks and headphones. This was the video walk around of the 2010 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.